Greetings viewers, and welcome back to your reviews. As we dive into the world of automotive enhancements, we're excited to present the top 6 best car accessories you can buy this year. From innovative tech gadgets to practical add-ons, we've curated a selection that promises to elevate your driving experience to new heights. But before we delve in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's explore these game-changing accessories that are sure to revolutionize your journey on the road ahead. Kicking off our list at number 6, we have the 2PC's Universal Flexible PVC Auto Parts Rearview Mirror Protector Rain Cover Car Rearview Mirror Eyebrow Rain Cover. This nifty product is designed to keep your rearview mirrors protected from rain and debris, ensuring optimal visibility in all weather conditions. Made from durable PVC material, these rain covers are not only tough, but also incredibly easy to install. Simply clean the mirror surface, peel off the 3M tape, bend the cover to fit, and press firmly into place. With its universal fit and flexibility, it's a must-have for any car owner looking to upgrade their mirror game. Moving on to number 5, we have the Car Cleaning Brush Car Cleaning Tools Telescoping Long Handle Cleaning Mop Chenille Broom Car Washing Accessories. Say goodbye to dirt and grime with this versatile cleaning brush. Featuring a telescoping handle and soft chenille bristles, this tool is perfect for reaching those tricky spots and giving your car a thorough clean. Whether you're tackling the interior or exterior, this brush is sure to get the job done with ease. Coming in at number 4, we have the Car Aroma Diffuser with LED Starry Ambient Light, 50 milliliters, Cologne Perfume Car Air Freshener flavoring for cars' fragrance diffusers. Transform your car into a sanctuary of relaxation with this stylish aroma diffuser. With its ocean fragrance and LED Starry Ambient Light, it not only freshens up your car but also adds a touch of ambience to your driving experience. Made from high-quality plastic and alloy, it's both durable and aesthetically pleasing, making it a must-have accessory for any car enthusiast. Next up at number 3, we have the SEAMETAL Carbon Fiber Sticker Car Door Sill Protector Film, Auto Door Sill Edge Side Mirror, Anti-Scratch Tape, Waterproof Stickers. Protect your car's paintwork with these durable carbon fiber stickers. Designed to resist scratches and wear, these stickers are not only functional, but also incredibly easy to install. Simply cut to size, peel off the adhesive backing, and apply to your car's door sill or side mirror for instant protection. At number 2, we have the rechargeable LED car door welcome light wireless car styling laser projector. Logo ghost shadow lamp customized logo support. Elevate your car's style with these sleek welcome lights. Featuring a rechargeable design and customizable logo support, these lights are sure to turn heads wherever you go. With their intelligent infrared sensor and easy installation, they're the perfect blend of form and function, making them a must-have addition to any car. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Baseus car neck pillow cushion vehicle head pillow seat headrest lumbar support for car memory foam travel pillow car accessory. Say goodbye to discomfort on long drives with this luxurious neck pillow. Made from memory foam material and filled with synthetic fiber, it provides unparalleled comfort and support for your neck and back. With its ergonomic design and breathable fabric, it's the ultimate travel companion for any road trip enthusiast. And there you have it, folks. 6 top-notch car accessories guaranteed to take your driving experience to the next level. Whether you're looking for added comfort, style, or functionality, these products have got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your ride today and hit the road in style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting us know which product caught your eye. Until next time, happy driving.